Hello, guys. Welcome back to Dr. One channel, Money Growth Strategy for Everyone. So, guys, today we are going to see how to install a Royal QI app. So, to do that, you need to have a invitation link. You can get the links from your friends, or you can contact me to get the links. So, once you have the links, you need to click the links, and it will take you to the Google Chrome. So, let's see how to install. Okay. So, to install, you need to have an email address. So, what you need to do is in your email address and so I'm going to key in my email address. Okay, once you email address, you need a verification code. So it will send the verification code to email. So you need to click the button and go to my email. 64615 here. So I'm gonna put my code. So you put the verification code here. Okay, once you put the verification code, then you need to set your password and make sure you remember your password because you're going to use this password every time you're going to use a app. And sometime the app may ask you to reset your password, and also please make sure you remember your password. And below you can see the invitation code. As I told you, the invitation code you get for your friends, and you have to complete the puzzle. To complete the puzzle, it's taking going to take you inside the app. Yep. So yeah, yep. We are in the app, and you can install the app in Google Play. Okay, so I only have installed the app, so I'm not going to install again. So I'm going to open my already installed RIQ. For you, you can install it, and you just need to log in using your email and password. So this is how the app looks like. You have options like API binding, revenue, transaction, invite friends, and all that. And a lot of options available here. You can see that there's also the bottom part. You can see home, quantitative circle, and also there is mine. Mine is actually a profile. How to see more details, there's a notification there. You can see all the coins I purchased here in Binance and Huobi. But when you install the app, initially you don't have any coins. So you have to go to your profile. There's a mine there. There are options like you can see your email on top, and you can click the email, and it's option to change your nickname. Okay? You can click OK. You can see the nickname, and you can change the nickname, put whatever name you like, and also the location. Okay, you might have to change the location. Location is correct, then you can leave it like that.
The other things are
Okay.
there's a professional edition. This one you need to do the trading for a few weeks before you can click to the professional edition to learn how the process works. And there's an option to activate. You can see the VIP view permission. So when you install an app, it will be asking to activate. So to activate, what you need to have around 120 USDT, which will be reflected in an asset. My asset have 47. So you need to deposit USDT into your Royal Q account first. How do you do that? You need to click the deposit and copy the deposit address, and this is a deposit address, and you can see there's a TRC20 chain name. Then this address you need to put it any of your wallet to do the transfer money to this asset. Okay, so these things will be dealing separately when you're going to do the binding and all that. There is also a API binding option. You can click on API binding. Okay, an option to be a Binance and Huobi. So whatever wallet you're using, you can use the particular binding. And once you install and all that, you can see that every transaction happening in your Royal Q1 payment. These are the transactions happening. There's a buy sell and all that. And also it will also display your team. Okay, who are the people registered with you? How many people registered to the team? This activation profit, direct qualification, team qualification, all will be reflected here. You can see here. I so far I only have 22 members, but you can see the group here. Then you can see the also you have a security center and system setting. When you click system setting, okay, you can change the valuation method here. You can put a INR or you can change back to the valuation method, because currently I'm using Malaysian ringgit. You can change it back to Malaysian ringgit. So these are the options. So and the other options available in Royal Q, there is quantitative, where you're going to purchase coins. The circles, where you do copy trading. This is the news, where you get your messages on your transaction, everyday transaction. And the mine, which is a profile, which allow you to explore to the Royal Q. So in our next video in Royal Q, we are going to show you the strategies, how you apply a strategy to purchase coins, and also how to do a copy trading. Okay, before that also we'll be adding another video how to do the APS setting. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe my channel and like the video, so that you can more training videos in crypto and opportunity to grow your money.